Welcome back, gamers! Today, we're diving into the ultimate gaming experience with the Couchmaster CYCON² Black Edition. If you're looking to take your gaming to the next level, this is the lap desk for you. First off, let's talk comfort. The Couchmaster CYCON² is designed with premium quality memory foam cushions that provide unparalleled comfort during those long gaming sessions. Say goodbye to neck and shoulder strain. This lap desk ensures you stay comfortable and supported no matter how intense the gaming gets. But comfort isn't the only thing this lap desk has to offer. It's also incredibly versatile. Whether you're gaming on PC, PS4 fifths, Xbox One, Series 10, or even using a notebook, the Couchmaster CYCON² has got you covered. Its ergonomic design allows for customizable adjustments to fit any body size, making it the perfect gaming accessory for every gamer. And let's not forget about convenience. With 6 integrated USB 3.0 ports, you can easily connect all your gaming peripherals and charge your devices directly from the lap desk. Plus, the built-in cable management system ensures a tidy setup. So you can focus on what really matters, dominating the virtual battlefield. Worried about space? Don't be. The Couchmaster CYCON²'s compact design takes up minimal space on your sofa or bed, making it ideal for any gaming setup. And with its environmentally friendly materials, including recycled plastic and vacuum-packed cushions, you can game guilt-free knowing you're reducing your carbon footprint. But don't just take my word for it. Gamers everywhere are raving about the Couchmaster CYCON² Black Edition. From its premium quality to its ergonomic design, it's clear why this lap desk is a game-changer for gamers worldwide. So there you have it, folks, the ultimate gaming lap desk, the Couchmaster CYCON² Black Edition. Elevate your gaming experience today and take your place among the gaming elite. Until next time, happy gaming!